Realme just released its first phone with a 10,000 mAh battery. Actually, it's a 10,001 mAh battery. The phone promises class-leading endurance and longevity, and it comes less than a year after the company showed off a prototype device with a 10,000 mAh battery. The Realme P4 Power has a next-generation silicon-carbon battery. It promises to retain at least 80% of its original capacity after 8 years of use. It's rated for 1,650 charge cycles. On a full charge, the phone can play BGMI for nearly 12 hours straight. Or you can watch YouTube videos for over 32 hours. Other things you can do on a single charge. You can use navigation for over 21 hours or record 4K video for 12 hours. That is, if you start at 100%. However, the battery is so massive that even at just 5% left, you can still do nearly 4 hours of voice calls or sat-nav for over an hour. And it's this impressive endurance that allows Realme to make the 8 years of use promise. The P4 Power will need to be charged less often than other phones. The company estimates that the average user will have done 392 fewer charge cycles after 4 years than if they had used a typical phone. On top of that, the new CC battery can last 150 to 200 more charge cycles than a typical battery. So this is why the software support is a bit of a downer. It launches with Android 16/Realme UI 7.0 and will receive 3 years of OS updates plus an extra year of security patches. By the time that's over, the battery will still be almost as good as new. The Dimensity 7400 Ultra chipset won't cut it 8 years from now, so that's another limiting factor. Okay, back to awesome battery tech. The Realme P4 Power supports 80W fast charging. That doesn't sound like much, especially coming 3 years after the Realme GT Neo 5 240W. But it is faster than you may expect. The phone can reach 50% charge in 36 minutes. And, of course, 50% of a 10,001 mAh battery is a lot of juice. Note, 80W is supported for SuperVOOC chargers. USB PD PPS chargers are capped at 55W. Here's another interesting stat that you won't get with many other phones. Thanks to its 27W reverse charging support, the P4 Power can charge an iPhone 16 Pro, 3,582 mAh, to 50% in 27 minutes. Not bad for a power bank, we mean for a smartphone. Realme managed to pack the impressive battery inside a 9.08mm thick chassis. The whole phone weighs 219g, which is only 11g more than the Realme P4X, which has a 7,000 mAh battery and measures 8.4mm thick. This phone is built to survive harsh environments too. Its battery is rated for use at -30°C to 56°C. Lithium batteries normally hate the cold. It's also resistant to flat compression and has been drop tested from 1M. Additionally, the phone is rated IP66, IP68 and IP69. It has been tested under 2M of water as well as tested in both hot, 85°C, and cold, 0°C, water. The rest of the phone isn't that different from the baseline Realme P4. There's a 6.8-inch display with 144Hz refresh rate. It's a quad-curved panel with 280x2, 800px resolution and up to 6,500 nits brightness. On the back is a 50MP main camera, Sony IMX882 sensor, with an f/1.8 lens with OIS. It can record 4K video at 30 frames per second and offers a night portrait bokeh mode. There's also an 8MP ultra-wide camera, 112 degrees, and a 16MP selfie camera, 85 degrees. The Dimensity 7400 Ultra chipset is paired with a 4/613mm Superscript 2 vapor chamber and an extra-large sheet of graphite, 743mm Superscript 2. The phone is available in Flash Orange and Power Silver. Both split the back into 2 parts. The lower matte part is where the battery is, while the top transparent part offers a peek inside. You can see the NFC coil.